All right, hey guys, how y'all doing? We're out running some errands here a little bit ago. We just got home actually, and we stopped by to have some dinner at Jollibee and decided we're gonna bring back a couple basic Jollibee hamburgers for the puppies. So we never do this, so they're kind of in for a little bit of a treat. So let's check. Let's check this out. Let's see what they got here. It seems kind of dark here. There we go. Let me pull the camera. Yeah, so the dogs get a little bit. Let me adjust the camera here. Where are they? Over there. These crazy puppies. All right. So check it out. We're gonna tease them with some Jollibee burgers here. What do you think, guys? Huh? Something totally new. These guys never get this kind of stuff. Hold on, adjust this camera here. There we go. I think we got her. Sorry, guys. Taking me a few minutes to get situated. Let's check this out. Hey, what do you got here? Huh? What do you got? You got burgers? Huh? You have hamburgers? You never get these, do you? Huh? Look at that. Oh yeah, that's yours, baby girl. It's yours. Oh, I know. Kisses, right? Kisses. I love you too. I love you too. We were thinking about you when we were out, so we wanted to see if maybe you might want some hamburgers, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, right. So, Chewy, yours is over here, girl. Let's see. I think we got it. Yep. See, hamburgers. Hey, shh. Look at this. Hey.
Jam, dito. Jam.
Hamburgers.
Jam, kimchi.
Hey guys. Hey.
Jam. Kimchi dito.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, good girl, huh? Jollibee hamburgers. All right, let's see.
I cannot give them like that because you know already.
You like that? What? It's all gone already? What is that? Huh? What is that? No, she still got a burger hanging out of her mouth. Hey, what do you got there? Holy shit, look at her. Look at this one. Oh, look at they're looking at me like, what are you doing? Get away from my hamburger. It's right there. It's right there. What is? Oh, that's that stupid mango, isn't it? We don't want that. Ish. Look at that. Jollibee burgers. Wow, that's a first, isn't it? You like that? Huh? You like that? It's good stuff, isn't it? Oh yes. No, no. I just threw the wrapper over here and she went to go get. Hey, get out of there. Crazy dogs. Nope. All right. What do you think? Huh? What do you think, Chewy? What do you think, Chewy girl? Is that good? You still got the Jollibee secret sauce on your lips? Huh? Hey. Oh yeah, you're snorting too like a piggy. Oh yeah. No. Chewy.
You take a photo and a video on the.
Maybe I'll just let you give it to him. Hey guys.
Wait, Chloe, you have to wait for Ate.
Alright.
Wait for Ate.
Alright, let me see. These crazy puppies. Alright, so I gotta set this camera down so I can give him another burger. Hey, what do we got here? Huh? What is that? What is this? Huh? What is that?
Stay with that.
What is that? What is that? Burgers, right? Look, you guys. Oh, look at that. Huh? Whoa. You like that, don't you? Hold on. Be good. Hey, Chewy. Come here, girl.
Chewy, go to daddy.
This is for you guys. Come on. Let me try to break it even. What do you think? Huh? Be nice. You know what? Sit down. Go down there and sit down.
Sit here, Chloe.
Come here, Chloe. Come here. Sit. Good girl, right? Easy. There you go. Good girls. Yummy.
You see her reaction.
You don't need to eat like.
Look at your sisters. They're so fun.
They're eating like vultures, man.
They haven't even finished the one.
Man, these guys are nuts. They're done. The meatheads, they're done.
Kimchi and Jam Jam, that they even eat the other one.
No, they're done. These guys are all finished. You guys pigged out already. They like that though.
Okay, wait. I will give you the bread.
Good girls. Oh, these guys.
Jam, sit here.
Did you like that? Huh? Did you like that? They already ate theirs.
I don't want them watching Jam Jam and Kimchi.
They already ate theirs, so
No
the
more.
only ones that left is what these guys are eating.
Kimchi here. Hey, no
Yep.
Jam up here. Because she knows it's mine. It's mine.
Yep.
You already
She
have
dropped it and she knows she dropped it, so she's gonna make sure she...
No more babies. Sorry, this is for your sisters now.
Yep. Oh well. That was good, wasn't it? They want more. They're hungry.
Next time.
Good girls. Yeah, good girls, right? You can get the eye boogers out of there. Yeah, they're good girls. Yep. That's their little reward for staying home and watching the house while we were gone. We'll do it again, guys. We'll do it again. This is just the first time, but not too often. It's not good for you. It's human food, and we don't usually do that kind of thing, but once in a while, right? Once in a while, right?
Mayonnaise on her lips.
Yeah, look at that. All right, guys. Rottweilers and the other two guys, the other two dogs having a little bit of Jollibee, so. All right, thanks for watching. Just a random video, guys. Talk to you soon. All right, later, bye.